Hi guys, we're eating macaroni salad again.
Okay, so good day po taong bayan at ngayon
Again,
pag-usapan po natin itong
Anything
issue
again,
laban sa isang vlogger
The
na
macaroni
pangalan po ay
salad
Mike
again,
Romero kung saan may araw na
macaroni
dito
salad
and then
again,
Bugo City Hall sa taas. And ang nangyari po dyan ngayon, arrest po siya ng FBI
Yes,
for
Papa
his
will be
alleged
eating
threat
your
versus PBBM on Facebook. So, explain ko po sa inyo yung kinasa sa kanya, which is the crime of inciting to sedition. So, explain ko na lang po yung mga technicalities and nuances po
eating
ng
again na
inciting to
the
sedition.
macaroni salad again.
And just a quick reminder lang po, huwag niyo po sana kalimutan mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. I-like mismo itong video na to kung mag-enjoy po kayo sa content ko. Okay? And if you would like to support the channel, my YouTube channel po, you may do so by joining the membership which I called the Associates.
Mama eating
Okay,
finish?
so start po tayo sa discussion. So unang-una po,
Yes.
clarify muna natin yung facts ng discussion natin. So this one po is tungkol kay Mike Romero. He is a vlogger who has 100,000 followers. Okay? And then ito po yung photo niya na nagka-issue, which is ito po yung pumunta si PBBM dun sa Cebu, specifically sa Bugo City. Then yung arrow po is under the word Bugo. Pero ang problem lang po dito sa photo na to, kasi as per Mike Romero, ito daw yung photo naman niya, wala naman daw yung heck. However, meron dito sa mga comment section yan na mga nagsasabi, ito daw yung una niyang post, flag, Bugo City Hall, arrow, and then yan. So hindi na tayo sure talaga kung ano ba yung totoo niyang post kasi pag titingnan po natin itong page mismo ni Mr. Mike Romero, ito na lang po yung makikita natin. Itong alleged na caption, hindi ko na po makita. Okay? However po, para mas maintindihan niyo talaga yung crime na inciting to sedition, ang gagawin na lang po natin, let us assume for discussion and educational purposes na yung caption niya na nilagay dito is at hindi talaga itong tama talaga ang City Hall. Okay? But I would just like to reiterate, hindi ko po sinasabi na talaga na caption yung nilagay niya dito, but for discussion purposes, para mas maintindihan nyo nga talaga yung krimen na inciting to sedition, yun na lang po yung magiging facts ng discussion natin. Okay? So hopefully klaro po yan.
Stay healthy anywhere you are while taking care of your family or celebrating milestones. There's a MaxiCare Prima Free. Your experience. It's your health. It's your Prima.
Pupunta po tayo niyan sa revised penal code natin and then sa provisions po regarding sedition. So nasa Title 3, Crimes Against Public Order, Chapter 1 po yan. Okay, rebellion, sedition, and disloyalty. And then yung una po, punta muna tayo sa Article 139. Kasi before we talk about